Hello, welcome back to Edible Globe 16. My face is still weird. My right face muscle is still not working. It's because of my migraine that I had a couple days ago. See, I can hardly smile perfectly. I need to do exercises for giving my smile back. Getting my smile back, not giving. And I've been taking meds for my face lately. But whatever. Today, we're gonna unbox 2 cars this time that my grandma got me today at Walmart. Drumroll. Ta-da! Here they are. We've got a 1971 Plymouth Sport Fury GT and a 1968 Dodge Coronet 500 Convertible. So, we're gonna get to unboxing this first. First, it says limited edition premium facts. This is the first release for our new 1971 Plymouth Sport Fury GT casting. Only 375 1971 GTs were sold in dealerships, making this high-performance land yacht from the muscle car golden age extremely rare. And the color is autumn bronze poly. Die-cast metal body and chassis, rubber tires, and opening hood. And here's some details on the back. I have this one, the 1976 Cadillac Coupe de Ville that I got yesterday. Nice. He's so metallic. Well, it started out being like opening roughly. Here's the engine. This is obviously a V8 engine. Ooh, it runs smoothly. That's cool. Anyway, we're back. My brother just came into my room, so I had to pause it. Also, he told me, and everyone else did, what my face thing is. Bell's palsy. It'll go away. Just trust me. I feel like this is embarrassing. Yay! See, look at that. Oh, look at that. That is embarrassing. Anyway, so here it is. And we're gonna get to the 1968 Dodge Coronet 500 Convertible. This is the first release of our new 1968 Dodge Coronet 500 Convertible. The standard engine for the Coronet 500 was the 318 cubic inch V8, but many opted for the larger, more powerful 383 or 440 V8s. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Ooh. Check out the engine. It's got cyan parts. It's a V8. And it's a convertible. And these cars, I'm making them in the Cars world. And I'm gonna have to make this pretend it has like a black convertible cover. Like me and Tia. let's see it run. And these cars are, I'm making them based on a fictional show. Well, a show that I want to make someday called Lakeway Buddies, which is set in the fictional town of Lakeway, New York, which is between Cuyahoga Lake and I think Seneca Lake, which are one of the Finger Lakes, which are two of the Finger Lakes, not one of them. Because it was one of them, because if I would say one of them, that would refer to only saying one lake. So, and there's like a population of 300-ish cars. I have to count them all. And it's good. We have a long way to go to collect these diecasts. What I'm looking for. That'll be my job when I'm older and I have the money for it, you know. Let me think. And Lakeway is inhabited with mostly boys because a lot of old cars look like boys. So, we'll see you all later. Like and subscribe. Comment down below what videos I should do next. Let me know if you have any cars that look like these, like real cars. And we'll see you all later.